Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is another historical site here in HOI AN, Danang. These are nice. Wow. Oh, I think I love this. Here. They have this indigenous foreign influence. We got a pig, monkey, and a dog for our kids. Oh, now we're trying to find a restaurant. Oh, what is this place? This looks like an interesting shop. Oh, I think I love this kind of shop. Pretty. Oh, wow. HOI AN is also like famous for its silk, and they really have a reasonable price. So I want to find a good shop for that. I want to get some silk. So another shop here. Tiny. Good. What is out there? My husband is now in a really narrow street. Oh, that's cute. Wow. Ooh, it's so dark. Yeah, it's truly an ancient town. I love the vibes. It's colorful streets. They have actually keep the rice here separate from your coffee, and then you can mix it after.
I think I can smell coffee.
Strong.
Yeah.
Strong raw coffee.
If I finish with it, I can drink strawberry.
This is good for those no sugar black coffee lover. I think this fits. It's just for you.
Ma, don't you take mine? It's yummy.
Good. Thank you. It serves a fruit ball,
Huh?
Butterfly.
and also this is a banana cake.
Butterfly?
Banana bread, banana cake, I'm not sure. Banana bread and the polo fruit. Super delicious.
Ma,
My husband hit the jackpot for this cafe.
strawberry.
Then they have this strawberries and French toast and some fruit. Vietnam is popular for what they call the coconut coffee. So this is gonna be our first time. I'm proud to try it here in Hoi An. It looks like there's like a shaved ice in it. Wow. Ooh. Yeah. Very delicious. It's tasty. It has a very unique taste. Thank you.
What color you want? You open.
Okay, thank you. Okay. I think I like this. Nice one.
Everything the same because this one made by hand.
Ah.
Oh yes,
Huh?
handmade, handmade.
Do you know what? The place itself is really good. It's just like all those bikes are coming in and out here, and it's not safe for the travelers. Look at Hoi An. I like this black. How much is this?
This one 200,000 down.
Oh, there is a silk shop here. How much is this?
And this here 450,000 dollars. Yeah, you buy many lot, I discount for you.
I get a good bargain for 3 nice silk. It's 700,000 dong, so I think that's a good price. I'm glad I found a nice silk shop. Plenty of local products with all these bags here. One. Oh, look at all those colorful ones.
A vacation with your family is a fantastic opportunity to create and cherish memories to your children from their childhood to adulthood. We parents wanted our kids to become more adaptable and flexible. Traveling with our kids can either ignite or reignite our kids' curiosity and their sense of adventure. Curiosity is not just a desire to learn, but is the spark that helps us to value, learn, and grow. When we travel with kids together, it gives them the real world learning experiences outside the classroom.
And it's really packed of tourists now. So a lot of foreigners here. I think they're happy how the tourist is like booming again. I can't wait for the dark to have those colorful lanterns lit. This seems like a nice view of a restaurant. So maybe we could try on here. The foods are limited here in HOI AN, so we only, get to choose 3 dishes, and they are khao lao and white rose. Okay. The Tubong River looks like magical with all those boats with the lanterns. I think everyone is waiting for the Lantern Festival.
HOI AN is an ancient town that is so attractive in terms of architecture, religion, festivals, and so many to mention. Most premium Oriental and Western styles architecture are found here, making a unique ancient HOI AN, absorbing all tourists who are eager for classic beauty. You will witness how an ancient city can survive in this new modern high-tech era. Tourists should not miss some of the great festivals. We feel so lucky to be here and experience with the most enchanting Lantern Festival that was romantic, mysterious, and magical that feed our eyes.
Back now, and it looks really good. We just got from the shop.
Cái này 4 phút nữa mà. How much? 50. Depend on the size.
Took a lot of photos in this shop, and my husband decided like, oh, we should just get something from her
20
shop.
and 40.
So we're getting lanterns. It's
40, 20.
spontaneous buying of lanterns.